guys, this is Ayush. So I'll be hosting the quiz. I'm very excited for it. Today's football edition. If you want to be a part of the next quiz, you'll have to wait till the end of the video and figure out what the instructions are. The topic of the next quiz will also be revealed at the end of the quiz. So get up for that. Answer what you think are the answers for this edition in the comments and tell us what we can do. Hello guys, welcome to the quiz because we don't have a name for it yet, so we have just gone with the quiz with RCT Sec. This is purely based on football. This is a purely football based quiz, and in fact Gaurav has been telling, like, at least Rachit and I, he told that this guy, अरे मैं तो easily जीत जाऊंगा, but let's see if he wins. What clubs do you support and stuff like that. So just quickly, AVS, you go first.
Yeah, I support FC Barcelona.
Sad. Then we have Gaurav, who is in.
I'm a United fan. It's okay. You can say whatever you want to. I'm just going to go along with it. It's fine.
Okay, then we have Ishan, who is the only. I think, yeah, out of the four of y'all, only Ishan's club has won a trophy, and that too a big one.
Wait. This season we won the Copa del Rey.
Arey, nice one, man.
Give credit where it's due, yaar.
Chelsea Football Club.
Okay, and then we have Varun. Okay, he's the sad man of the literally the. I don't want to roast us. Here we go. Let's start. We are going in alphabetical order, so it's AVS, Gaurav, Ishan, and Varun. All right. Question number 1. Okay, AVS, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. X's father played rugby for Wales. X is a Premier League winner, and X has been charged with assault, and that has led him to not be a part of his current managerial stick. Who is X?
Wales winner.
Any guesses, AVS?
I have no idea.
Do you want a hint? So that question will be for 5 points after that.
Yeah, actually, give me the hint.
Okay, the hint is Salford United.
That's it.
Yeah, that's a hint. That's a very big hint. If he's a Premier League winner and he's a part, I have said Salford United, there's a reason. There's a big story here. If you don't know, then you probably don't know. Just take a random guess. It's pretty clear from the questions that he's a player from the Wales and he's a Premier League winner. So if you can think about that instead of focusing on other things, then also you can win. You can get the answer. So if you have a Welsh Premier League winner in mind, just go for that guess. It'll be easy.
Gareth Bale.
Gareth Bale has not won the Premier League.
Yeah, I know, but that's the only thing that's coming to my mind.
Okay, Gaurav, it's your chance.
I have no idea.
Wow.
You were smiling all the time. I thought you knew the answer.
No. I have no clue. No clue whatsoever.
Okay, any guesses, dude? Welsh Premier League winner.
Does it move on?
All that I can think of right now is Alan Shearer, but he's not even Welsh. So exactly.
Wait, I'm next, right?
Ishan is next, but wait, you can let him pass the question first, or let him take a man.
What will I do keeping it to myself?
Okay, Ishan, your.
Is Ryan Giggs Welsh? I don't remember.
Yeah, Ryan Giggs is the correct answer. You get 5 points.
Oh.
Basically,
let's go.
Nice.
Yeah, Ryan Giggs.
I knew it was of the assault thing.
Sister's wife.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's been charged with multiple assaults. So one of them is and he's in court for one of them right now. So he can't manage Wales for the youth. All right, next question. While hilsa are typically regarded as fish of the Bengalis, there's a certain sect of people which prefer to eat chingri. All right.
What?
Which is a kind of prawns. Okay?
Football coach.
Football.
Yes, this is a football coach. There's an incredibly amazing Indian football thing, right? So there's this thing about other people not engaging with hilsa. They don't like eating hilsa. Which groups am I talking about, and why? You'll probably get it even without the thing. Alright, if you want hints, tell me. I'll give them to you. Don't worry.
Whose turn is it?
It's for
I think
Ishan.
Whoever
It's
wants
for
to
Varun.
go
It's for
first,
Varun. It's for Varun. It's
whoever
for Varun.
knows the answer to this, go ahead.
Bro, what
Pass.
is this?
Thank you for giving me the hint before I pass.
Okay, you
Before
want
I
a hint?
yeah, I
Varun,
want a
Varun.
hint.
The hint is think about iconic teams from West Bengal. Even if you get
Mohan
one,
Bagan.
Gaurav, you can't answer
It's-
out
it's-
of turn. Alright? So just
Okay.
I can't give you negative points also because I don't want anyone to go into negative. But
मैं
okay.
पॉजिटिव पे आएगा ही नहीं उसके बाद भाई. Think about it that way.
Yeah, that's why I'm not giving negative points. But Varun, take a guess or whatever. I'm ready to give it to you even if you say Mohan Bagan.
Okay, Mohan Bagan.
Hey, wait,
And do you
what?
have any other guess?
Oh, but
Gaurav?
I'm guessing Gaurav gave it to me, so I'm taking it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And do you have the guess for the other group of people? No. Okay. Cool. Then I'll give 2.5 to Varun. All right. This question like passes on to AVS. AVS, which group? Like there is Mohan Bagan, which is already said. I have said teams from West Bengal. Think about another team from West Bengal, and go for it for 2.5 points.
Gaurav, do you have any other?
No,
clubs in your
I
mind?
don't. That is the only football thing I know about India, other than the like starting 11 and defense. That's literally it. I have
Arey
no clue
yaar.
about ISL also, yaar. So
I
fine, yeah. Go on.
Don't say more away.
Yeah.
AVS, take a guess.
Bro, I don't even know any other clubs in Bengal, man.
Okay,
Listen,
pass.
that is one of the oldest clubs. That's why. I
Yeah,
know it.
same. Uske baad, I don't know any other clubs in West
Okay,
Bengal.
pass the question then. Chalo.
Pass.
Fatapat.
It
Okay,
is
pass
to
it.
me. Back to
It
me.
is to
Yeah.
Gaurav, who lost on a 2.5 points just because he decided to shout out Mohan Bagan.
I don't know. See, does a player count?
No.
Huh?
Clear, Thodi.
Then so bhai, there's no
Yes.
chance for me.
Pass the question then. Ishan,
Pass,
no,
pass.
Ishan,
Yeah,
you
Ishan, I have high hopes from you, man. Come on.
West Bengal FC, I don't know.
Oh, you were close.
Whoa.
Because
Oh,
the answer
give
was
me-
East Bengal FC.
Oh,
अरे यार ये क्या है? Give me
Because
0 point something.
Shut
1.15.
1.15 यार.
1.15.
No.
Nahi, bhai. Hello.
Now, here's the thing, right? Mohan Bagan fans, like the rivalry is so epic. So it's a big rivalry, big thing, and stuff like that. So Salt Lake Stadium is considered this rivalry, this derby is really like epic, so to say. Next question. Alright, this question is very easy, and this is to AVS. Alright. It might seem long, it might seem scary, but if you just focus on the right things, you will get the answer definitely. You don't even need the hint for this. Okay? Chalo, let's go. The Luton Town team owner of the team of the 1980s did not have heavy investment in the team, but that did not deter them from employing management tactics to level the playing field, especially at home. Since their players were mostly quick, they tried to advantage that at their stadium by making a certain modifications to their pitch and making it less frictional. These changes also led to more fans coming in to support this newfound glory of the club. And the nature of these changes possibly led to the first use of the word to describe fans. Right? What is the logic here? Or what word are we talking about here?
What word?
Yeah, there's a word, right? This word is used to describe fans. What word are we talking about? If you want a hint, I can give you an hint, but I mean,
Okay,
Okay,
wait. let
hint
me
is a
try.
given
You-
from
you-
now on, okay? So like,
No.
whenever you
He
see
said
the
it's
question, just come up with a hint.
it's very workable. It's very workable, and like next questions are pretty simple. So I mean, I don't think the hint is a given. Let's go.
Less frictional.
I didn't understand the question only. What do you mean? What's the logic here?
Acha,
Like,
bro.
what are the fans called?
Like,
Yeah,
there's
so
a certain
basically,
term.
What are the fans called?
अभी एक team बताता हूँ.
Plastic fans.
Gaurav, stop answering out of turn. But I'm not reacting only. But you can say, AVS, you have a guess or something?
Um,
It's not my answer for sure. It's not my answer.
That's the best guess I've got.
What? Plastic fans is your answer, AVS?
Yeah.
Okay, AVS, you are correct. You get 10 points.
No hints. Let's go. Thanks, Gaurav, bro.
I
Thank
put
you.
Basically, I have 12.5 points and all of you have 0. I'm going
Yeah,
like that.
you should shut up. This question is for Gaurav. X was an English footballer. Now he works as a broadcaster of the sport. Okay? He works as a commentator basically. X pooped his pants while playing against Ireland in the 1990 World Cup. He has played for Leicester City, Everton, Barcelona, and Tottenham Hotspur.
Okay, what's the hint over
Which
here?
team? Okay, you want the hint? Cool.
Again,
He won the Golden Boot in I think the 1986 World Cup, if I'm not wrong.
It's bhai.
And he's English. Like he's English. He
think
won
I
the
know
Golden
this.
Boot. So think about
Played for
iconic strike.
Barcelona. I think I know who it is.
Yeah, just shut up because you need to understand what
Yes,
happened.
Gaurav,
I gave you 10 points. You can give me 5.
नहीं 2.5.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा.
Bro,
I also
1986.
have
How
an
will
answer. I don't know.
So
I'm-
think
I'm
about
starting
iconic
to
English
wonder.
strikers, right? Think
Alan
about
Shearer.
iconic.
Wayne
That's
Rooney.
wrong.
He wasn't
Alan
even born at
Shearer.
that time.
Wait.
Alan Shearer started his
Shearer कब
journey
आया?
in the Premier League, right? 1992 से वो start किया and
And
1997.
he was in Newcastle also, bro. Not,
He
not
worked-
in these
he-
teams.
Exactly. So that's the wrong answer. Let's go to Ishan. Ishan, you have a guess?
Dixon, you said striker.
Yeah, he's a striker, na?
Yeah,
I told
that's
you.
what
Golden Boot जीता है.
Golden Boot जीता ना at the World Cup.
Ah, tell pass to Varun.
Okay, passing to Varun. Varun, go for it.
So he actually or he just admitted it?
He has like there is video evidence of it and he has admitted to it.
I don't know his first name, but I just know Lineker was his last name.
Perfect.
But he
Gary
admitted
Lineker.
it.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
Damn, man.
It's Gary Lineker. Alright, ABS, you
Barcelona
do
देखा.
that.
I would have never guessed that, so
I
it's
saw
fine. I would
Barcelona
have
and
never
pooped his
guessed that.
pants. I
What
knew
was
that
your
someone had
answer,
pooped his
ABS?
pants. Yeah, it was
Okay.
Gary Lineker.
Alright, next question is for AVS again. So, okay.
Huh?
Cool. Ali Dia was born on 20th August 1965, commonly known as Ali Dia. He is a Senegalese footballer who played as a striker. In November 1996, Dia convinced Graham Souness, who was the manager of Southampton then, that he was the cousin of a FIFA Player of the Year and the Ballon d'Or winner. And he signed a 1-month contract with Southampton, and then he was released 14 days into the contract because they discovered that this guy is a fraud. Okay? Who is the FIFA Player of the Year and the Ballon d'Or winner that Dia claimed was his cousin?
Okay, so I don't know if this counts as a hint, but was the winner of the Ballon d'Or he won in 1996, right? His cousin.
I can't say anything.
अरे यार.
Hint मांग लेना.
Hint मांगेगा तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कुछ.
Okay, yeah, give me the hint. Give me the hint.
Okay, he is the first African player to win the Ballon d'Or.
Oh, George Weah.
Perfect.
Yes.
He gets 5 points. Easy. Because it was easy, right? Senegalese and
This was the only answer I knew because I read this on 8 Fact.
alright.
I just knew first African footballer. Easy.
In my head, I am 22.5.
Okay. Next question is for Gaurav. It's a very workable question, Gaurav. Think about it अच्छे से and work out everything. ठीक है? Getafe is the La Liga club with the lowest average attendance, around 9,000. Seeing this, they launched an app, GetaFinder, as a long-term investment to increase the number of fans that they have. Although, seeing this method employed would take at least 38 to 40 weeks. What does this app try to do?
अरे यार तू फुटबॉल के बारे में पूछ रहा है कि यार
It is
मेरा
a football
computer science का
club.
पेपर है ये.
It is a football club which has done something remarkable. Think about it. Look at the timelines. Something will pop up in your head. Or if you want a
38
hint,
to
I can give you.
What is
Wait now.
timelines? एक मिनट कब release किया ये?
So wait,
Is it-
I'm guessing. Wait, do I have only one guess?
Yeah, you have only one guess. You can't ask for a hint after you take the guess.
One second, wait, huh? So listen, I am not asking for the like. Acha, give me the hint. Give me the hint.
Hint is tender.
Huh?
Hint is tender.
समझ गया।
I'm not gonna say.
Oh. What? Wait 1 second. Okay.
Oh.
It's absurd, but it's-
So okay, so like
Um,
just so basically at a match where they go, they find a match and like like they literally find a match.
Mhm.
nice one.
Are you
Anything
literally
else?
not? Are so
बस
like
इतना
they
ही है।
get to meet over there and like probably watch the match together.
Mhm. That's not the correct answer. Anything more you want to add to that?
I want to add.
You probably get your first date over there. I don't know. You get good or fucking broom boom मिलता रहेगा यार.
Next passes on to Ishan. You'll get part points. Let's see how much
I swear if
Okay,
Ishan
wow.
gets this now, I am.
What that doesn't make sense. Only the question to me.
Thank God
I-
someone's saying it out loud.
To be honest, I thought Gaurav.
How did he make
nailed
these
it.
questions?
My guess was the same as Gaurav's. If I had to guess.
I have said that it is 38 to 40 weeks for a reason, right? That Gaurav
A
did
season?
not.
Oh, we did
Gaurav-
38 to
Gaurav-
40.
No, I said that was the
Arey,
first thing I
that-
said.
Okay, wait. I
That's
think
not-
Wait. 38 to 40 weeks. Is that like the मतलब बच्चा होता है उसके बाद तो मतलब they're trying to recruit in the fan.
Correct.
Wait, so
That's right.
how does it relate to
That's such
Tim?
bullshit. What a bullshit question, Ayush.
Wait. Can you explain this app to me? What it does?
Yeah, please
So
explain
basically,
this.
it's a hookup, right?
No. So basically, they launched an app in which Getafe fans can go and they can find matches, as Gaurav said. But after that, they basically reproduce so that the children can be Getafe
One
fans.
second.
And
One
this is
second.
legit.
One second. What do you think I meant when I said they get a room? Like what
you
can
have
they
to
possibly
say-
do?
You have to say "bacha hoga." That's it. That "bacha" was the keyword. You get part point.
Gaurav
you
is
get
getting
2 points.
robbed in this game, man.
I am at 35 now.
No,
I
no,
don't
no.
care.
Oh, 22 से सीधा 35.
Okay.
I swear. No.
Actually-
It was 17.5, so 5.22.5. Chal.
Gaurav gets 2 points.
Ayush,
Yeah.
2 points.
can you
Bhai,
what's the
Mac ही है क्या?
scoreboard? What's the
Oh,
scoreboard
हाँ.
looking like?
AVS is on 15, Gaurav is on 2, and for this question I give Ishan 3 because he got like the main keyword. So Ishan is on 8 and Varun is on 7.5.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
next
Go on.
question is to Varun. Alright, I'll be really upset
Arey
if
wow.
Varun doesn't get
Oh, come on. He gets an
Arsenal question.
fan. Come
That's
on,
not
man.
fair.
Oh,
It's not my fault he gets an Arsenal question, but here we go. Question
It's for
7.
whom?
In talks with Arsenal, it's for Varun, okay? In talks with Arsenal, if I said $1 million, they automatically deducted 100 grand just because you don't fly. This is an excerpt from his autobiography. X would miss away matches because he had a fear of flying, which is why he was called the non-flying Dutchman. IDX. Like the who is X?
मैं मुंह ही नहीं खोलेगा भाई, मैं बोलेगा ही नहीं. ये तो 10 पॉइंट चाहिए ही मेरे को.
10 तो देने देंगे. मैं हिंट लेके 5 तो करेगा ही उसका. रुक.
Yes.
मैं सुनेगा ही नहीं. मैं हिंट ही नहीं. मैं कान. Come on, man, Ayush. I don't want the hint, man. You can't do this, yaar, Ayush.
Non-flying Dutchman is the only hint I'm taking from this. So Dennis Bergkamp.
Correct. Non-flying Dutchman.
oh shit! I thought it was Dennis. Ah.
Here's the article which I freaking
I'm at 32.5.
Varun gets 10 points. Question number 8. For AVS. Alright, AVS. This club was first established in 1899 as a cricket club. Since then, that club has won 18 Serie A titles and 7 Champions League titles. Which club am I talking about?
इतना
Confused between two. I'm confused between two.
Yeah, so go for one.
Is it AC Milan?
Wow, exactly the right
Ah,
answer.
thank God. I thought I was
Yeah.
going to be AC and Inter Milan.
Alright, so the next question is for Gaurav. Gaurav, you are getting all Manchester United questions, alright?
What?
So, this question is for Gaurav. Gaurav X is a French actor, director, producer, and a former professional footballer. Alright? Elizabeth and The Salvation are the two films starring the former professional Manchester United football player. Alright? Which player are we talking about? This question is very easy, Gaurav. Think about it. If you want the hint,
I
can
only
give
know
you
two
that.
French footballers who have played for United.
Alright?
One of them is Paul Pogba.
And one of them is the guy who didn't shake hands with someone else. But like, I'm not sure if he's an actor, director, producer.
He's the really bad Manchester United fan, dude. I
Whoa,
knew this
whoa.
before I
Like,
wrote.
oh damn.
अरे he's host है सर
Hurt,
roast नहीं है.
Hint.
Okay, hint is he's a striker. He's a French striker. So I'll give you one more hint. He's known for making like statements which are very bizarre.
See, there are a lot of United fans. Players who do that,
Okay,
but
I know now. Big hint. This is a big hint, bro. And I want Gaurav to have this point here. I'll give him another hint.
Cool.
अरे कोई तो बैलन डे और सेरेमनी में उसने बहुत अजीब सा स्पीच बोला था. Like it was very
Yeah,
weird.
I don't know what. No, genuinely.
Gaurav, you're going to kick yourself, but let's pass it on to Ishan
Yeah,
anyway.
exactly.
Gaurav, do you want to
Better.
take a hint? Just like guess, just random, kuch bhi.
I can't think of a French striker. What I was thinking
Just
it was
leave.
Evra all this while, but then you said striker and then boom.
This question goes to Ishan now.
Oh, even I don't know, yeah, Manchester United thing.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Talent or like AVS literally said it.
ABS true United fan.
नहीं I only got it because of his weird
Yeah,
speech.
yeah.
उसका weird speech था वो. They talked about it so much.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Is it? I can only think of Cantona or something, but I don't think that is
Eric
it.
Cantona is the correct answer.
Eric Cantona.
What he was? I didn't know he was
Legend.
French. I'm not going to lie. I didn't know he was French.
Even I was confused about that.
The last question I'm talking, it's very easy. Goes to Varun. Alright. Ken Bates was a businessman who bought this football club for £1. Alright. Then in 2003, he sold this club for £140 million. Which club are we talking about?
I think Ishan might want to answer this. So it's Chelsea.
Yeah, it's correct. 10 points to Varun. That's the end of the quiz. Now we are going to go for a whatever post-game ceremony or whatever. I'll be announcing the scores.
Arre.
Oh God, Gaurav.
Well played, everyone.
Gaurav is first. No, from
Oh,
Gaurav first from Nietzsche, na? Please.
Thank you. It's
no, we all know Gaurav won. We all know in our heart Gaurav won. Can you help me out, bro?
He won a heart,
Help
man.
me. Yeah. He gave like
Okay.
2-3 answers.
Gaurav, you're last with 2 points.
Yeah.
Then second we have Ishan, who is on 13 points. Very good. Like he got some
Not bad.
great questions.
Thank you.
Then we have AVS, who was on 25 points. So Varun has won the quiz with
Oh,
Arsenal fan
Someone said
man.
Arsenal.
by 2.5 points, which Varun gave him. So he's got
Oh
27
my
points.
God.
Arre.
Gaurav.
करना
At the
पड़ता है
same
यार
time-
ITT है
बहाने
पूरा fix
Score में
सब
आप
fix
समझेगा
है, पूरा fix।
देखो
All the members of RCT Sec will be participating in the quiz, not our committee members or something like that. But yeah, we'll be having more quizzes on more topics. We'll be sending out forms which you need to fill. Which there'll be quizzes on forms which you guys have to fill. The top people will get to participate in the quiz and feature on our IG. That's it from now. Hi guys, we just got done shooting the first episode of the quiz. So if you want to be a part of our more quizzes, then here are simple instructions that you need to follow. The next topic is going to be the MCU, the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and the preliminary round is just a simple Google form which you need to fill. The link for the Google form is in the bio of our Instagram page. Go follow us there, and also it's in the video description here, so you just fill the Google form, and if you are in the top 4 of that quiz, if you are in the top 4 of that Google form, then you get to be a part of the quiz. We'll contact you and we'll get in touch with you after that. So cheers, gear up, and it's gonna be fun. So bye. More topics coming up soon, more quizzes coming up soon. Like, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and bye.